Hello, hope you're having yourself a nice time, and in this video I'm going to take you through this Arduino Uno home automation enclosure. So I designed it to work with 4 relay modules. It also has a SIM800L within it. It has a Bluetooth module. It also has a Arduino Uno, and it also has a DC to DC converter module within it. So from the outside, this is how it looks, and it has these holes on the sides, this and this, for probably securing it on the wall or a cabinet, wherever you'll keep it. Then it also has 2 on this side and this slot. So for this slot, if you want to use something like a cable tie, you can use that to probably secure it somewhere. It has 4 holes on the top, and those ones are used to tighten the top or the lids to the enclosure. Then we have this outlet holes for the Arduino Uno USB, also for Arduino Uno power. Then we also have another slot here. So this is a slot for input or output wires from the relay modules. So this is how it looks from the outside. Now from the inside, this is how the lid looks, and this is how all the components are arranged. So this is a relay module, 4 relay module. Then we have the Uno. Then this is the DC-DC converter. This over here, this is the Bluetooth module. This is the SIM800L. Then from the casing, you can see it has enough space even to run jumper cables from one component or from one module to the other. So I'll just remove them, show you how it looks. So this is the 4 relay channel module, and it has 4 holes, and also 4 slots for securing it. I'm using I designed it to use this type of screws. It's a M2. Hope you can focus it here. This is M2. That's what those are the screws I use for securing the individual modules. Then we have this is a Bluetooth module. So for the Bluetooth module, you just place it there. You can place it either that way, or you can turn it this way. Then there's the Arduino Uno, so that I can also remove, and it has these spaces for securing it using the M2 screws, self-tapping screws, that is. For the DC-DC converter, it's already secured using the same type of screws. Then we have this, the SIM800. Well, for this, I just place a slot, but you can use any type of adhesive to secure it within the slot. So we just drop it in, and that's it. So this is how the casing looks like, and I'm selling it for $4. So if you're interested, kindly check on the link below. You can download it and also leave a comment. If you also need probably a customized enclosure, kindly contact me. Just leave me a mail, and I'll see if I'll be able to assist. Thank you.